Well, well, look who finally decided to wake up. You've been quite elusive, but your skills make you worth the catch. You'll be perfect for the job. We've been having some issues with a group of thieves known as the Top Hat Clan. We know they're guilty, we just can't pin them to any crimes. You'll be going into the airship to bring them down. I don't need to remind you that we've got you on several charges. Attempted robbery, breaking yourself out of prison, and even stealing a Tunisian diamond. We've got quite a lot of counts on you. Do this job right, and we'll drop all charges against you. Charlie here will be bringing you close to the airship. The rest is up to you. Find a way to bring him down, and you'll be a free man. Hey, how do you want me to bring you in? Hey, I've been looking at the numbers here. What do you think? Ah, yes. Let me have a look. Go, I'll hold him off. Come on, then.
Check, this is Charles. Thought I'd give you a heads up. There's a guy down there, a bad guy. So, yeah. Good luck.
Did you hear something over there? Nah, man, I didn't hear nothing.
Hey, good job there. Oh, so you should probably look for something incriminating. Something that we can use to prove that they're criminals, you know? I mean, the whole point of this operation.
Alright, gentlemen, we've been tasked with developing new weapons for the clan. Any ideas? I was kinda thinking. We can't do that. Why not, man? You do realize how much a solid gold cannon would weigh, don't you? Dude, we totally got enough power. What do you think, man? Well, I'm still kind of new here, so I'm not really sure what to say. Door's jammed again.
Oh, hey, you see that record sign? Where it says records? That'd probably be a good place to look, right? Let me just, help you get across that gap.
Huh? Right, so if we go up to 3 caliber... Hey, you there. What do you think you're doing? It's Smith, right? What are you doing here, mate? Your wife's just gone into labour. Take that escape pod behind you. It'll take you right to the hospital. Go ahead. Don't worry. I'll tell the chief.
Alright, here I come. Da, 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 da. Alright, here I come. Da, 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 da. let me just teleport this thing in here for you. Yeah, I have this thing here that can manipulate gravity. Should be able to get you to float across.
Let me just... wait. Up, down... Did it work?
Alright, here it comes.
What's it caught in?
I don't think that guy knows how to open the door. Yeah, why don't you let me take care of this?
This. Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble.
Oh man, that duck just flew right into the propeller. Oh, what a mess. Wow, this guy really is a moron. Can't believe he doesn't know how to open a door. Whoops.
Alright, get to bring out the big guns.
Hey, you should be good to go now. Alright, hacked into their security system. Should be able to open the door from here.
Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble. Boo! Oh, hello, Mr. Spider.
Alright, you got some evidence. Whoa, wait. There's no way you're getting through there. Lots of guys, and there's lots of guns, that's all I'm gonna say. It looks like you can get around if you go through that air duct. Alright, I've hacked into their power grid. What do you want me to do? Okay. I don't understand what that means. Okay. I don't understand what that means. Okay, shutting down the power now.
Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble. Ooh.
Oh man, that duck just flew right into the propeller. Oh,
think
what a
nobody
mess.
knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble.
Oh man, that duck just flew right into the propeller.
Think nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble.
Oh man, that duck just flew right into the propeller. Oh, what a mess.
Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble. Falcon!
Alright, I've hacked into their power grid. What do you want me to do? I'm sorry, I just thought you needed some help is all. Alright, I've hacked into their power grid. What do you want me to do? Okay, I'll reroute the power to a random room, that's fine. Alright, Henry, you're almost there. I'm right outside, so just open the bay doors and I'll get you on the chopper.
Hey, what are you doing? Yeah, we got a situation down in the cargo bay.
Fire in the hole! There's a button on your earpiece. You should press it.
What's going? This could be a problem.
Everyone listen up. We've got a security alert. Keep a lookout for a guy in a big plastic ball. No, I'm serious.
Hurry up now, activate the doors. 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 No, get away!
Now I've got you.
Help, help! You defeated my right-hand man. You defeated me. I surrender the airship to you.
Great work, Henry. Now just get him to us. We'll get you in a life bag.
I'm a firing my laser!
You think they're alright? Pretty big fall.
I'm sure Henry had a plan. What is it?
Henry!
My apologies, everyone. Had to deploy some basic maneuvers. A flock of ducks flew by.
Hey, you! Stop right there! What's going on?
Looks like he set off some sort of alarm in the vault.
What? He's gone rogue? Alright, move to plan B. Call in reinforcements and move in.
Yeah, this is Jeffrey. I got him right here, so you